Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to ensure menu tab appear on the top in Google Chrome. Chrome tabs normally appear on top by default, but if they disappear, pressing F11 will exit full screen mode and restore them. Chrome does not have a traditional menu bar. Like other browsers, all options are found in the three-dot menu at the top right. For quick access to bookmark, just go on the All bookmark on the top right. We can also enable it by going to the three-dot. Additionally, use keyboard shortcuts like press Alt plus E to upon this three-dot directly, making your navigation faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.